Let us continue with our lesson. And since we have already added a button navigation over here, the next thing is I think we just add a background color for this one. So what I will do is from here I will just select our background and let's select a color for our background. Now just use a primary color primary light, and that should change the color for our button navigation view. And the next step, let's go and add a toolbar for it. So we will add a toolbar. So what we will do is I will just go and create a toolbar, because if you notice the style that we are using is a no action bar, which means that it doesn't has any toolbar for us or action bar. So action bar is removed from our app theme. So we have to create a manually and add a toolbar over here. So let's go to the layout and create a new resource file over here, and we'll just call this one as a toolbar, and over here just select as a toolbar from that material. So we will select the material toolbar from here. Just click on this one and just click on OK. So that should add a material toolbar for us. And let's add some of the properties for it. First of all, I'll add the ID. Let's say ID of toolbar. And the next property that we can add as let me arrange it properly. So we have a width and height as a match parent and match parent. So I think height should be of we can set as action bar size. So we can say it should be of attribute. So the attribute of attr, and it should be of action bar size. So that will adjust the size for our toolbar to the action bar size. And let's keep another one as the background color. So over here I'll just say as a background color, and the background color let's keep as something like a primary color primary. Okay, so if you go and check that we have a toolbar with the color already, and let's add some other like a theme property, or else if you just try to go and run for now. Let's try to run. Okay, sorry for that one because we haven't added that one. If you actually go and check the application that's going to run, you will not find the toolbar because we haven't added it to our main activity. So it's still empty over here. We need to add our toolbar over here. So I think let's go and add it. So over here in the text view, I will just go and include a layout, and the layout would be of a layout toolbar. So I'll just add that one, and I'll just keep our ID of, let's say, our ID of a toolbar. Okay, I think that should be fine. So we have an ID of a toolbar. If you go and check over here, it's already added on the top. So I think that should be fine. And let's try to run our application now. And let's wait for the gather build. And if you take a look, so we should have a toolbar by now. So you can see we have a toolbar. So it's a material design toolbar that we have added. So we have a toolbar as well as a button navigation view. So what we will do is we will still have to configure some of the action over in our toolbar, and as well as the action for when we click on the home, we should come to a home screen, and add tags, we need to go to the add tags. And for people, this should be not the people, it should be for profile, right? So when we click on profile, we should go to the profile screen. So we need to add all of this screen because we don't have currently, we have not added any of this. If you go to the layout, we don't have any layout for our home as well as the tags and for a profile. So on our next lecture, what we will do is we'll go and create all of the required layout as well as the classes that we need to handle all of this. whenever we click over here, we should go to that particular layout. So let's meet up in our next lecture. So till then, have a great day.